Naval Aviation in Macau. So not only in marine, but they also have flying aviation din. May aviation. And ito yung kanilang mga ships. Dongshanhu. Paganda ng paganda, tsaka nag-e-evolve siya. Far East Hydro Oil. Ito na yung pinakahuli. Far East Jet Foils. Ito na siya. Technology na. From yung old style ngayon, ano na siya. Nag-evolve na technology na siya. Okay. So, meron daw dito para Aquario e Cafe Esplanada. Let's try to go to the aquarium. Macau is also famous for dolphins. Ganon din yung Hong Kong. Kasi nga, napapalibutan sila ng dagat. So, they have dolphins. So, when you go inside, it's free. Walang bayad. It's like a mini zoo. It's a museum and mini zoo. So, mga shells. Ayan, makakalabas na pala ako. Pero hindi pa ako pupunta pa pala ako ng Amma Temple. So, hindi ako pwede lumabas. So, puro shells lang dito. Tingin tayo ng isang shell. Ayan. Tapos, aquarium. Fishes. Caleb, look! Kuya Joshua, look. It's so nice here. And you can go inside for free lang. You can learn a lot. May animals na parang small zoo and museum. Ganda ng fish na yun. Wow. So if you go to Macau, don't miss to go to Museo Maritimo and Amma Temple. Amma Temple is para makapag-picture. Tsaka sa tuktok siguro ng temple is maganda yung view. So let's see the last one. Ito naman big fish. Big fish. Okay, last na babay na another one dito. Kasi sila sheng-sheng, maraming ganito. Okay. Bye! Oh, dito pala ako galing. Okay, let's end with the first na pinagalingan ko. Okay. Hello!
Hello.
How are you? Lisbona. Okay. Bye! God bless you, Macau. That is the whole Macau area. They are going to be conquered by the Lord Jesus Christ. And the Lord will bless them.